Hey folks, my name is Sean. I'm the owner of Osteen's Load and Go. You've probably seen our dumpsters all over town. We are your trusted partner for dumpster rental, junk removal, and demolition services. Our commitment to quality of work and outstanding customer service sets us apart. As a local and veteran-owned business, we take pride in serving our community with integrity and dedication. So whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing out some clutter, or need a professional demolition, Osteen's Load and Go is here to help. Experience the difference of working with a team that values their satisfaction and delivers reliable, efficient solutions. Give us a call or text us at 407-988-5341, or you can go to our website at osteensloadandgo.com and book a dumpster today.